welcome back to Made by Nala. So today I'm back with another super cool DIY because why not? Have you guys been seeing like all over Instagram this trend? Like I've been seeing this trend everywhere. So I was thinking if I turn these tights, if we turn these tights into hairbands, like little rubber bands, because technically all I need to do is just cut strips, right? If I just cut strips, loads of like strips, then I will have like the rubber band loop thing. I don't know. You guys tell me. Tell me if I'm onto something. But I've also got a pair of high heels that I basically never wear. And look how boring these are. I love the colour though. Like look at the colour against my skin colour. It's making so much sense. So yeah, I was thinking of literally using these tights. Let's use these tights that we can't return anymore. Turn them into hairbands first, then loop those hairbands around here. And another thing is I can't waste I can't buy like 50 hairbands just to wrap around shoes, but I can just use tights that I already own. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Stay tuned. So if you watched last week's video, you know how to make hairbands. I literally did the same method. So here's a quick little time lapse of me doing so. So I forgot to turn my camera around the other way, but this is basically how you want to now loop these hairbands to the shoes, guys. So you want to put it like this, and then you want to tuck it under. It took me ages. This is why I'm actually including this part, because guys, it's not easy as they make it seem. So can you see what I just did there? I might slow it down for you guys. And you just want to keep doing that same process of looping and looping. And guys, I was making so many mistakes. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the easiest DIY to loop, but you just want to keep doing the same thing over and over again.